What's going on, everybody? Costa Mesa Dave. I'm out back behind the shop at Signature Glass Tinting, and we're looking at a 2021 Dodge Hellcat wide body. I just was going to go through everything we did to this car. You know, one of the things about YouTube is that the videos are seen by everybody all over the world, so it's not a local thing. So we're really not here to solicit your business and tell you how great we are here at Signature Glass Tinting, but to really educate you to what we recommend when it comes to window tinting. So first off, Lumar window film is all we use here at Signature Glass Tinting. We recommend highly you find a shop that uses Lumar window film. There are so many different brands, but if you want quality and you want longevity, we recommend Lumar window film. We could install any film out there, but we pick Lumar because it's the best. This is the Lumar Irx 15%. So 15% is one shade under limo. It's considered a dark film. 99% UV protection. High 80s when it comes to infrared rejection. It looks real nice. It's very what we call installer friendly. So the installer's not going to destroy the product putting it on the car. People don't think about that when you're shopping for window film. There are some films out there that are so difficult to install that the installer literally destroys the product putting it on the car. Of course, we digitally cut everything here at Signature Glass Tinting. We run the film through a plotter. We use the Tint Tech 2020 cutting system. The pattern is cut. We simply install it. We don't put a knife on the back window. We don't put a knife on the front doors. We don't trim out any rubber moldings. Of course, everything's protected when we do the installation. We don't remove the door panels, but we cover the door panels. And then, of course, lifetime manufacturer's warranty. And let's talk about that real quick, guys. If you see some of my other videos, lifetime manufacturer's warranty, there's the word limited before all these different warranties that the manufacturers offer. So it's a limited lifetime manufacturer's warranty. You got to look through it and see where the loopholes are, because, for instance, in the window film world, nothing is covered by the manufacturer if it's installed illegally. So here in California, anything installed on the windshield or anything installed on the front two doors is not covered by the manufacturer. Now here at Signature Glass Tinting, we have our world famous no charge, no fault guarantee. It covers all the windows the manufacturer does not cover. It also covers all the side windows if they're ever scratched, if they're ever broken, car accident, vandalism. Just a couple days ago, we had a customer who was in a car accident. The window was broken. It was replaced by the dealership or by the body shop. He brought it back in, showed us his proof of purchase. We retinted the car for free. You guys, when you get your windows tinted, I don't care where you're at, find a shop that uses Lumar window film, find a shop that's gonna digitally cut the window film, and find a shop that's gonna stand behind the product they put on. That's what we do at Signature Glass Tinting. Again, you're looking at the Lumar Nano Ceramic Irx 15% on the sides and the back. The front windshield has the Nano Ceramic Irx 50%. Everything was digitally cut, lifetime warranty, and as you can see, it looks real nice.